Hello traders. Today 23rd of November 2023 guys, we had amazing trades guys. Bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys Euro USD how we manage a very decent and amazing profit. As mentioned based on the 4 hour yesterday at the New York session when the market failed to respect this level. So we had this beautiful short trade. Market nicely hit to the support level and that's what explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. Let's see if we see the price reactions. We also had a counter opportunity at this level and we just bank amazing profit on Euro USD. Now let me share with you guys how I analyze the market in intraday. So if you look at the intraday yesterday, you can see we already had this short trade here. Even previously, you can see a beautiful short trades. So this is the analysis at the New York session yesterday, and based on this analysis, as explained, let the market break this level, then possibility of short, otherwise long here. As you can see, a market nicely broken after the breakout as expected. Another pullback, we have another pullback short. As soon as the market hit to the profit target, as explained, my traders time to enjoy some profit, and let's wait for the price action. Based on the 4 hour, as you can see, the market nicely respected and reverse impulsively. We were expecting that, let's see if the market is going to stay below this level. If not, then we'll look at, because this is the area we're looking here. So the market trap into this area. So as explained, my trader, if the market is going to break, high probability based on the 4 hour market respected major support level, this breakout will give us the reversal option, otherwise short continuation. So you can see here, that's why our intraday system play a main role. You haven't seen any red candle or any pullback. Market nicely broken, as explained, my trader, enjoy the long trade here. As soon as the market hits to the previous high, which is the resistance level, you can see here market previously respected many time and 200 EMA, and that's what explained my trader is time to enjoy amazing profit. So guys, you want to see those analyses in real time and with a full description, most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.